share with you all the recruitment process details of Infosys. Infosys or Infosys Technologies Limited is the second largest IT company after TCS. It is one of the Indian MNCs which is listed on American Stock Exchange. It was founded by Mr. Narayan Murthy. Let's talk about the recruitment process of Infosys. In order to recruit its employees, Infosys has a 3-round process. First round is the online written test round, which is an aptitude round, followed by the technical and the HR interview round. Talking about the eligibility criteria, any student who has secured 60% or above in 10th and 12th is eligible to apply. Besides, a student should have 65% or above in BTech or MCA. Now talking about the rounds in details, as I said, the first round is the written test round. This is an aptitude round, it is an eliminating round, which means if you get through this round, then only you can go for the technical and HR interview round. There is no negative marking in this round. This round has 3 sections: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal aptitude. There are 10 questions in quantitative aptitude which a student needs to do in 35 minutes. In case of verbal, there are 40 questions which you need to do in 35 minutes again. And in the logical reasoning, there are only 15 questions which are required to be done in the time span of 25 minutes. Now talking about the difficulty level, students, there is a 60% cutoff in each of these sections, but the verbal portion or the verbal section is considered to be the most difficult out of the lot, because the difficulty level is on the scale of 90% in case of verbal, while it is 80% in quants and 70% in case of logical reasoning. Going into the syllabus, in quantitative aptitude, we have many topics like percentage, profit and loss, ratio proportion, mixture alligation, permutation combination. Rest of the topics are given on the screen. You can see from there. In logical reasoning, we have data sufficiency, data interpretation, then we have syllogisms, puzzles, etc. And in case of verbal aptitude, we have reading comprehension, sentence correction, sentence completion, parajumbles, FITBs, etc. All the topics are given on the screen. You can just have a look. So this was all about round 1. After a student gets through round 1, as I told you that round 1 is an eliminating round. So once you are through with round 1, then only you can move to round 2. Round 2 is technical and HR interview round. In the technical interview round, besides the general questions about your technical subjects like on C, C++, Java, programming, etc., you will also be asked questions related to your project. So please be thoroughly prepared with the project details. And there is no discrimination in the Infosys interview between CS and non-CS students, because anybody would be asked the questions pertaining to coding, right? So you need to be thorough with them as well. Going into the details of the HR interview round, again, this is the final phase. This is considered to be very important when we talk about Infosys, because around 25 to 30% of the students can be eliminated in this round. So apart from the regular questions like your family background, the qualification, salary expectations, etc., the HR may ask that why have you chosen Infosys, where do you see yourself after 5 years, or what are your future plans, questions like this. So once you get through all these rounds, you will be hired by Infosys on the designation of systems engineer, and the salary package would be around 4.03 LPA. So students, this is all from my side today. Till we meet next, thank you so much.